What's going on there, guys? Bringing you guys a unboxing here. This will be my biggest unboxing that I've ever done. So if you guys would like to see me do more unboxings, leave a comment in the section below, and we'll get started with this. So I got sent this giant box here from oh man, Sphinx beards. Check that out. But yeah, I'll hop right in here. I have no clue what they sent me. They reached out to me, said, want to send you some stuff? So there we go. Alright. Check that out. Get rid of that here. So that was inside there. And then there's all that confetti for you guys. And we'll see what we got here. So we got, that's what it looks like in the packaging here. Some of the best presentation I've seen in a company yet. This pretty much, I think, tops the cake here. Look at these bottles. You see these? Check these out. We'll see what scent we got here. Trying to find it, guys. Sorry. I think that's it right there. I don't want to butcher the name though, so but pop that top there. Nice little restrictor top there. Oh yeah. Oh, that is good stuff. Alright. Alright. So that is right. That's the name of the oil there, or the scent. So it is Ancient Kingdom, and the scent profile is on the back there, which is tobacco, vanilla, cinnamon, and musk. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh. Man, that's good stuff right there. I can't wait to try all this. Here. See that? Come on. There we go. Well, either way, it's the choke cherry, I believe it is, and the scent is fruity sweet almond cherry. Ooh. Oh man. Oh man. I can't wait. Here. Yeah. Anyways, this one is the oud, coffee, leather, vanilla, and sandalwood. As I'm sure you guys know, I've been wanting to try a lot more of the oud scents, so this one sounds really good. Ooh. Oh man. Oh yeah. Get out of there. This one here. Let's see it. This one is citrus, pineapple, green apple, and musk. Man. These guys are nailing it with the scents. Oh man. These guys also own a fragrance company as well. I think they do colognes and stuff like that, so I think they're pretty experienced with how to mix scents and everything like that, so it shows. There. Sorry if you guys can't read the names here, but the scent is sweet, spicy, cocoa, coffee, rum. Man. I haven't smelled one that I haven't liked yet. These have been fantastic. And let's see here, ecstasy name. There we go. And the scent on that is citrus, woody, aromatic green. Aromatic green. My bad. Oh man. I can't wait to try these. There we go. The scent is oud, fruity floral, ambergris. I don't know. I think I just butchered that. But I will be doing a review on these guys in about a week or so, so I'll let you guys know how it smells in beard. Oh, man. Alright. I'll show you how it's packaged in there. We get to their balm, I believe it is now. It's pretty sweet packaging though. It's some of the best I've seen. And this one here is a chalk cherry. Oh man. And La Frontier. I don't want to butcher it anymore, so. And Apotheosis, I think it is. Man, look at that. And the last one here. Is Black Desert. Let's see what the scent is here. Sure doesn't. These have all been good. There hasn't been one that I haven't liked yet. We'll go over the ingredients here real quick, since I haven't gone over those. Ingredients are medium chain. I have no clue what that word is. Organic castor oil, organic moringa oil, marula oil, frankincense, essential oil, organic hemp oil. I know that everybody loves that one. Ginger essential oil, and coriander essential oil. So, yeah, that's everything I got there, guys. Throw that. Show you guys everything here again. Like that. The packaging on this is, like I said, some of the best that I've seen. And then all the bombs there. But yeah, a pretty big unboxing there. If you guys like to see me do more unboxings, leave a comment below, and then like it, follow me, and then I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching.